everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video we have tested the access for this particular user and saw whether he has access to this office or not, and we have talked about conditional access as well. So in this video we'll be trying to create a conditional access policy and test whether user can access the same application after implementing the conditional access policy. So let's go ahead and start. For that, let's go to the Active Directory, and under manage section we have a section called security. Click that, and here we have under protect we have conditional access, so click that. So you have to make sure that you should remove the defaults before you were able to create this conditional access, which I've showed you in the previous video. So please do watch that. And coming to the conditional access, you can see the definition here. So conditional access gives the ability to enforce access requirements when specific conditions occurs. For instance, when any user is outside the organization's network, they need to use multi-factor authentication. So this is one of the conditions that we can use when implementing the conditional access. And when the user in the managers group sign in, they required to be on engine complement or domain join device and so on. So even we can do such conditions. So let's go ahead and create the policy, new policy, and in this case I will be keeping has let's say office access, and coming to the assignments for these users, you can select none, or you can implement this for all the users of your directory, or you can select a specific users or a group. So if you click that, you have an option here. You can select all the guest or external users that you gave access to, or you can select the specific directory roles and you can select the role here, or you can use users or a specific group. So right now these are the different groups that we have and different users. So in this case we will be selecting this particular user, because in the previous video we saw the access related to this user. So we'll be going ahead with this user right now. So select that. So we have successfully selected it, and next thing, go to the next one, which is cloud apps and actions. So you can apply this conditional access for all the cloud applications, or you can select a specific application, or you can select none in this case. But here we'll be going to select apps, and here you can see we have Office 365. So click that and select. So we have selected Office 365, and coming to the conditions now, let's click the conditions. So you can select any one of these, like based on the location. So you can select these parameters if you want though, but in this case I'm just leaving it, and directly you can go here and you can block the user, or you can select one of the condition and then you can block the user. So we'll be talking about it further, but right now let's go ahead and select the access control here, and you can see. So for instance, if you see if you grant access, we should require multi-factor authentication, or for instance the device should marked as compliant and so on. So this is some of the requirements that you can add, but in this case, since we are blocking it, it's just one option. So let's click block and let's select this one. So successfully we have selected it, and in the end, as you can see, there is an enable policy. You have to make sure that it's on. So if that is only report only, then it's just take the audit logs and so on, but you should make sure that it's on, so that the policy is enforced. So let's create. So I hope I have selected the user here, specify user. There you go. Okay, let's create it. So it's creating right now, so let's wait for that. So you can see the policy name and the state of this particular policy. So we have successfully created the policy where it blocks the user from Office 365. So that's it for now. I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, how to create conditional access. and in the next video we'll be creating a we'll be testing whether the user has access to that particular software or not. So thanks everyone. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.